And now let's look at components of API calls. And the first one is endpoint. So endpoint is actually the URL which we are hitting. So you can consider endpoint as a specific address where we are sending our request. So in case of our weather application, we are hitting this URL. So this first part of this URL is our endpoint, and it is indicating that we want to get current weather data. So when this endpoint will be executed, a specific function will be executed on server. And the next thing is parameter. So parameters are extra details which you add to your request to specify that which certain data you want to get. So in case of our weather application, we are passing this parameter with the name city, and the value of this parameter will be the name of city for which we want to get current weather data. So this part is the endpoint, and this part which is after this question mark is the parameter. And after parameters, the next thing is header. So headers are extra pieces of information which you include inside your request to tell the server about the data which you are sending. So in header, we usually pass a field called content type, and there we can specify the type of data or content we are sending. And then we usually pass an API key in the header, which is used by server to authenticate that whether we can access their API or not. And we are going to use these things inside our application. And the next thing is the body of our API request. So body is the part where we put the actual data which we want to send to the server. So let's say we are creating a new account by making an API call, and in that case we need to send the username and the email to the server. So we are going to include this information in the body of our API request, and our header will gonna indicate that what type of data we are including in the body of our API request. And the next thing is HTTP methods. So when we make API calls, then from our application we need to select a property called HTTP method, and after selecting this HTTP method we make API calls. So these methods are actually verbs that tell the server what action you want to perform. So we can select 4 different HTTP methods, and they are get, post, put and delete. So here the first one is get. So it is used when we want to make an API call to get some data from the server. Like we are making an API call to get the weather data, so in that case we are going to use get HTTP method. And if we want to send some data to the server, then we use a method called post. So you can consider like creating a new account. So in that case we are going to send username and password or email address. So in that case we are going to use post method. And if you want to update something on the server, like changing user email address or username, then you use a method called put. So this is basically for updating data on server. And the final method is delete. So as the name suggests, it is used to delete some data from a server. Like if user want to delete a certain profile, then he will gonna use this delete method. So these are different components of API, and we are going to use them while making API calls inside our application.